guys, this is Katja with Creative Image Studio. Today I'm testing another AliExpress die. That is, it is of course a different shop, but I bought it from AliExpress, so through them. And this is the die. It's supposed to be a gift bag die, so you can create your own gift bags with this. And yeah, let's try it out because it has cut lines, but it also has score lines. And I'm curious as to do these actually work. So let's try it out. Okay, so this is how it arrives. And then you can see that the different parts of the die are all still attached to one another with these small metal pieces. So the first thing you do is try and get it separated. So I usually turn it and then click it off. And then I grab some some pliers, so some cutting pliers, and then you grab it and you twist, and then it's off. Alright, so this is supposed to be a decorative part, so it's up to you if you're going to use it. It's not my style, so I'm not going to use it. Anyway, so this is the main part, the die, what it's all about. And you will need to die cut 2 of these. So cut it twice to get an actual box. You can do a couple of things. You can use some cardstock and then mat. Personally, I prefer a piece of double-sided design paper. Now this is a specialty paper, which means that when you will fold it, it will probably crack. So that is something to keep in mind. Alright, so I die cut it twice. So there you go. So they are 2 of the same pieces. Now it comes with 2 holes here, of course on both sides, to put like a ribbon or a piece of trim or something through it, and you have a little something to hold on to. And what I was curious about, if it would do its score lines. Here's a little bit of cracking, and that is because of the specialty paper, because of all of the glitter and the foiling, etc. So that's what I meant. It's for demo purposes. You now know 2 methods for this. Now this tool here is the right angle tool by Darlene Brule, and you can buy it at her Etsy shop, which is called Darlene by Heart. And she sent this to me to try it, and it's meant to taper the corners of your mini album cover sheets, so you will always have the perfect tapered corner. But I also use it to tear my tape. I think, well, I had a code and it is my name, so Katja, and if you give that, when you purchase it, I think you may get a 5% discount. Well, I like it a lot, so yeah, so check with her if the discount is still valid. Perhaps it is, and then you will have 5% off. So think rainy Sunday afternoon, you want to do some crafty thing, but you don't want to design anything. You just want to handle your paper and your inks and maybe listen to a podcast. Then this is ideal because you can just go with the flow. Oh, now the bottom has a sticky thingy. Darn it. So I need a bottom piece. So I'm trying to light it here with some extra light. And you see the shiny parts there on the inside of the little bag. That is the exposed double-sided tape that we'll have to cover now. Yeah, so I took my measurements and I'm gonna cut a mat. Okay, so I thought I had my camera on when I did the whole inside of the bag thing, but it seems I did not. But what I did was, like I said, I cut a piece of paper, measured the bottom here, cut a piece of paper, the size, same paper, so just a strip like this one, but then, cut it to size, and then put it into the bag like that. I did use some ink to ink up the edges, but then not like this, but just like this, just getting rid of the white, see? Because I wanted a very subtle effect and I wanted this to be sort of a camouflage piece. So I just used some wet glue and then put it into the bag, just stick it in and then push it down and push around the edges like that. So let me try and show you. So there you can see the new bottom, and if you didn't know it was there as an extra piece of paper, you would not see it. And by the way, even now that you do know it's there, I think you don't see it either. So there you go. So that is a nice solution for that. So they did these diagonal things, and so you push it inside here. Oh, this is the front, this is the back. So you push it gently inside like this, and then help it along like this. Fold it, so create your own fold line. And then you can store it into your drawer or whatever, wherever you want to store your little gift bags. So yeah, that was my first tryout with this new die from AliExpress. All right, and that was a little gift bag. So yeah, that worked out with the cut lines and the score lines, but you do have to be careful as to what kind of paper you use. Try it out if it is important to you, because it may crack because of the way that the score lines are done on this little die. And also, if you recognize this die, maybe it is a dupe for a brand name. I don't know if that is the case, but should you recognize it, please let me know in the comments. Shout out the name of the brand, because then they are probably the original designer of this little die, so they deserve the credits. Alright guys, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Press the like if you like this video, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!